Previously we discussed about the plants which are easily available in the wild that grows well in terrariums. But sometimes changes in climatic conditions may affect the growth of these plants. Some might get burned in heat and some might get rot in rain. Therefore, it is good to culture these plants separately. Those who have not watched the previous video, the link is given in the description. So, let's begin. At first, I took a mixture of coco peat and soil. Then I sieved the mixture to remove dirt and pebbles and extract fine particles from it. Now I took a dry homemade compost mixed with cow dung and started grinding it. Finally, I collected the mixture after grinding it to a desired size. Again, I sieved the mixture to obtain fine particles. Now let's make the substrate by adding both the mixtures together. I took some disposable plates to grow the plants. Then I put the substrates evenly in every sections of the plates. Before moving forward, make sure to hit the like and subscribe our channel. Now, let's go for a plant hunt. Before adding the plants, let's mist the substrate. First, I am putting the plants randomly on the substrate to manage the gaps in between the plants before actually planting them. After planting, I'm spraying some water on the plants before putting the lid to trap some moisture inside the box. Keeping the box in an indirect sunlight will help the plants to grow healthy and spread quickly. Growing these plants is very easy as they doesn't require a lot of care. All they need is a suitable environment to grow. When these plants start to grow and increase in number, we can use them in terrariums, aquariums, zen gardens, mini ponds and whatnot. Thanks for watching our video. Till then, be sustainable and be creative.